So here it was given that in 11th question, circular loop is there of radius r which is carrying a current of 5 amperes. Then the ratio of magnetic field at the center of circular loop as well as a distance r from the center. So this is from recall, my dear children. So recollect all the formulas you have studied, recollect all the subtopics and concepts. It was very clear that he's asking about magnetic field at the center. So no doubt this is from moving charges and magnetism. So this is from moving chapters, the senior inter courses, moving charges and magnetism. Okay. So there we have studied a relation that magnetic field, okay, on the axis is equal to magnetic field at the center of the loop by 1 plus x by r to the power of 3 by 2. This is what we have studied. So here let us draw a circular loop like this. So this is a circular loop. This is center of the loop. Let me call it as O. So with this center, if I draw a line like this, is nothing but radius r. And this is the place where the point P is lying. So this point is lying on its axis actually. So let me say that this distance is equal to capital X. This distance is equal to capital X. Okay. Now, so if you look at this one for particular question, it was given that a circular loop of radius small r, okay, is carrying current I amperes. So here this radius, you have to write it as small r. The ratio of center circle by distance small r. So this x distance is also given as small r. Let us substitute this both. So magnetic field on the ratio of magnetic field at the center of circular loop and a distance of r. So center by axis we have to write. Center by axis. Okay, first let us find it. Magnetic field on the axis is equal to center by 1 plus, both are equal to small r. X and capital R, both are equal to small r. Now these both get cancelled. So magnetic field at center, C stands for center. So 2 power 3 by 2. So what I could do here is that 2 power 3 is nothing but 8 to the power of 1 by 2. So this is 8 to the power of 1 by 2 is nothing but 2 root 2, right? So final answer is that magnetic field on the axis is equal to center by 2 root 2. So he is asking about axis by center or center by axis. That we have to be very clear. So first he is asking center, okay, and then he is asking about axis. So center by axis. So this 2 root 2 comes up here. So this is what is the answer. We have to say 2 root 2. If nothing is left in the denominator, so better to write here as 1. So therefore, magnetic field at the center of a loop to magnetic field at a distance, okay, on its axis is 2 root 2 by 1. That is 2 root 2 is to 1. So this is what is the answer. So this comes under option 3. This comes under option 3. So this is our right answer. So with this question completed, my dear children. Now let us move on to the next one.